Here we are on Clothesline, the show where we wring them clean, string them up and put them to dry on the clothesline. Before I go far into the past few weeks, here is something a little more recent. Arnab Goswami was at his battle-hardened best, fighting the battle for sachai, truth, but he didn't quite nail the simile. We figured we'd help him to make his news hour even more entertaining than it already is. IPL, step aside. This is entertainment के बाप का बाप.
जो सच्चाई होती है कड़वी होती है, सच्चाई बहुत कड़वी होती है, मगर सच्चाई
Thinking of the best way to complete that, Arnab? Here, we'll help you.
सच्चाई निकल आती है. It has a wonderful habit of coming out.
सच्चाई छुप नहीं सकती बनावट के असूलों से, ये खुशबू आ नहीं सकती कभी कागज के फूलों से.
But life is more than entertainment or uska baap. It is about discipline, Anushasan and yoga. The world, thanks to Modi ji and others who may have had something to do with Yoga Abhyas, we celebrated the International Day of Yoga, while the whole world and particularly India witnessed thousands breathing in and breathing out live on TV, which really was not just path-breaking, it was Raj path-breaking.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it.
And even internationally, it was a grand spectacle.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to.
Right here at home, some of our netas performed yoga to inspire millions of youth to do this one asana to get their viewers a healthy heart and mind. Which asana? The laugh asana. Watch.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it.
Manorama News did a wonderful clip on Yoga Day. Well done, guys. But don't you think any politician will by default be good at yoga? You know why? कहते हैं राजनीति में वक्त आने पे दुश्मन को दोस्त और गधे को बाप बनाना पड़ता है, और सत्ता के लिए सर पे खड़ा भी होना पड़ता है. तो एक टांग पे खड़ा होना will be a piece of cake. Oh, will it?
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.
No. You have to stand on one leg, not two. No cheating, Vasundhara. Best was Railway Minister Suresh Prabhu, who was so taken by Shavasana that...
Shavasanathil ninnu. Lukaji. Lukaji. Luka.
Prabhu ji, so hi gaye. Some people do fratedar yoga.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it.
And speak fratedar Sanskrit.
लोकसभाया सदस्यत्वेन निर्वाचितः.
While Prabhuji does Karatedar yoga. But what good would an event be if our actor turned politician Vijay Kant has not customized it in his Vijay Kant style? Thanks to News 7 Tamil channel, we got to know that while others cover their noses to control their breathing in and out, Vijay Kant actually controls the flow of air itself with his bare hands. Now that's something even Rajnikant can't. Also, Vijay Kant is so used to stand-ins and visual effects in his movies while performing stunts that he needs a mundu to catch him in case he falls when he sits down and help him when he gets up. Okay, one question, just asking. What is the first word that comes to your mind when I say Modi? Exactly, foreign trips and his tweets and ability to grab headlines. Wait, what Modi are you thinking about? I'm talking about this Modi, whose foreign trip out of London had put the foreign minister Sushma Swaraj in the dock. And later the storm engulfed Vasundhara Raje and her son Dushyant Singh. Varun Gandhi and his auntie, who some cannot name.
Why are we not discussing his mentioning of Sonia Gandhi and Varun Gandhi?
Yeah, let me help you. The name is Sonia. नाम तो सुना होगा. कह दो ना, you are my Sonia. Why does everything have to be attached with gate just because of Watergate, Snoopgate, Porngate, Coalgate, and hell, why not Ajmeri Gate? And now we have Lalit Gate. So who made that up? The nation. मेरा मतलब Arnab Goswami. So जाहिर सी बात है, rival channels would hate to use this term. Look.
The massive political storm that has broken out over this Lalit Gate story. I hate to use that word Lalit Gate, but for want of a better expression, that's what we are calling it.
Yes, Nidhi, even I hate to use your favorite term, the larger picture, but I have to use it. The larger picture of this scandal called Lalit Gate is that it has hit the BJP badly, that their spokespersons have started sweating. Quite literally.
चमका पसीना बनके नगीना चमका पसीना.
Sambit had more sweat drained out of him here than the entire BJP doing advanced yoga. Other than yoga and Lalit Modi, the other thing that had the BJP sweating was the Vyapam scam. This scam is the recruitment and admission scam where students cleared medical and other entrance examinations by allegedly paying hefty bribes. Witnesses to this scam started dying one after another in mysterious circumstances that would put the Game of Thrones season 5 to shame. But the real shame is right here. Whistleblowers openly expressed the fear of death on live TV.
इस बात को मैं पूरी जिम्मेदारी पूर्वक कह रहा हूँ. सीएम शिवराज सिंह चौहान स्वयं मेरी हत्या कराना चाहते हैं.
Here's what the minister in charge of law and order in state says.
स्वाभाविक बात होती, जो आएगा एक दिन तो उसको जाना ही पड़ेगा.
हाँ, ये तो आपने बिल्कुल ठीक बोला गौर साहब. जो आएगा वो जाएगा. वैसे आप कब जा रहे हैं? मतलब मिनिस्ट्री छोड़ के, ताकि लॉ एंड ऑर्डर कोई तो संभाले. कोई और आके संभालेगा, क्योंकि जैसे आदमी आते हैं वैसे जाते हैं. पॉलिटिशियंस भी आते हैं और जाते हैं, और हम प्रेस्टिट्यूट्स और न्यूज़ ट्रेडर्स देखते रहते हैं. And it's just another day in India. One of the mysterious deaths in Vyapam scam was that of Namrata Damor, whose autopsy revealed that she was choked to death.
CNN-IBN has now accessed the autopsy report of Vyapam accused Namrata Damor, who passed away 3 years ago. The autopsy report says Namrata's death was homicide.
Yes, it's just another day in India. There have been 49 deaths of people related to the Vyapam scam since 2009. Yet, it's just another day here in India. More importantly, whose exclusive is it? NDTV or Headlines Today? Just another day in the news in India.
Exclusive. 9 January 2012. A copy of autopsy report confirms Namrata Damor killed. Why did cops argue it was suicide?
Exclusive. Reported by India Today last night, Barkha.
Shiv Arun may have been on Barkha's timeline, but clearly there is someone else on her mind. Who? Well, that's what the nation wants to know.
The nation is asking you. It is not about me.
The nation wants to know in some other channel. It's not over here. That's wrong statement you.
The judiciary has decided what it has to decide.
That's true. Somewhere that's the only thing that's made me laugh. Yeah, we don't believe in the hyperbole of the nation wants to know.
Oh, come on, Barkha. That was such an unnecessary forced laugh to claim we don't do hyperbole. You don't have to do this. And then again, here.
And I've never said he's a murderer. You know in which channel what kind of things happen. So please don't bring other channels' debate into your debate.
Really, Barkha, is that a joke worthy of a chuckle? Maybe just a smirk. Also, Sambit, what you said on another channel cannot be referenced elsewhere? Really? But some random SMS sent to you can? Huh?
I have number of SMSs from all your medical colleagues right now in front of me, and they are saying that you are charged with murder.
Yeah. SMSs are evidence enough to accuse a whistleblower of murder? Really? Hey Sambit, give us your phone number. We will text you constantly in your next debate, and I promise to provide you with enough texts, I mean evidence, to pin every scandal under the sun, from riots to IPL, on this guy here. With that kind of logic, I don't know whether to be worried or relieved that Sambit Patra is a doctor and not a police investigator. Whistleblowers and witnesses getting killed, and a spokesperson from the governing party actually accuses a whistleblower of murder on air. Like I said, just another day in India. Since no one else will say this, including the mainstream media, their primetime runs on spokespersons making a spectacles of themselves by attacking each other like the trash on Jerry Springer. I feel it is my duty to say this. Most party spokespersons are not winning their parties any brownie points from viewers. They do more harm than good, and Sambit Swaraj occupies the undisputed champion's belt in that department week after week. We're all experienced news professionals here at News Laundry, and we can give you, political parties, some lessons on how to handle the media for a small payment, and for some extra money can even help you manage it. But that is not the revenue model we are using, because for us, it's the viewers, that is you, who are our paymasters, which is why we don't have to bend, crawl or compromise.
अक्सर आपने लोगों को ये कहते सुना होगा कि यार व्हाई कांट इंडिया बी लाइक अदर एडवांस्ड डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज, हम आधुनिक देशों की तरह क्यों नहीं हो सकते? वहाँ की जो इन्वॉल्वमेंट होती है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है, अवेयरनेस होती है, व्हाई कांट वी बी लाइक दैट? I'll give you an example of a news website called Der Correspondent in the Netherlands. They raised $1.3 million from the public. It was a crowdsourced model. लोगों ने पैसे दिए उन्हें, and they completely changed the dynamic of who the news media is responsible to. We at News Laundry want to try the same model. When the public pays for news, the news media is responsible to the public. So will you support News Laundry and pay for it? Because then we will ensure anyone who makes a wrong move pays for it. Friend or foe. And yes, that goes for Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party too, for the most suspicious and cynical among you. So tell me, will you pay to keep news free?
Remember the days when you used to accuse the Congress spokespersons of arrogance?
Mr. Abhinandan seems to suffer from a problem about his own opinion, which he thinks anybody controverts or disagrees with requires the term nonsense.
नरेंद्र मोदी नाचीज है। उस व्यक्ति को, अनपढ़ व्यक्ति को न तो इतिहास पता है।
रिपोर्ट सरकार को दिए, आप डिनाई करिए। Ask him to shut up, I will answer you.
The BJP is doing exactly that now. And the arrogance is so similar that even news channels are getting confused. Ke, bhai, tum ho kaun?
The opposition claims that the Aam Aadmi Party hasn't kept its promise.
It's astonishing that the Aam Aadmi Party.
But there is only one person who can put such arrogance in its place. Watch.
Sambit Patra, you listen to him. Listen to him. Do not interrupt him. Do not heckle my panelist, Sambit. Do not heckle him.
Hey, did I hear correct? फिर से प्ले करना.
Do not heckle my panelist, Sambit.
Do not heckle my panelists, as in मेरे panelists को बोलने दो. Or no, Irony just cancelled its subscription to Times Now. Back to its arrogant spokies. Not just Sambit Patra, BJP spokesperson Nalin Kohli also did a boo-boo.
आपके राजनीतिक सोच मुझे अब दिख रही है. हो सकता है कि आप किसी राजनीतिक पार्टी से जुड़ना चाह रहे होंगे.
ये standard
जुड़ जाएंगे.
ले, कर लो गल. Nalin Kohli insinuated the whistleblowers of being linked to another political party. I'm dying to know which one. We guess it's Congress. What do you think? Well, actually, Arnab revealed the people Nalin accused were actually RSS members.
ऐसा ना हो कि ये प्रोग्राम के बाद मोहन भागवत नलिन आपको फोन करें. आप सबको कांग्रेसी समझते हैं. जो आनंद राय बैठे हुए हैं वहाँ पे, उनके पुराने ताल्लुकात राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ से है.
Oops, Nalin, that's not a political party. It's a cultural organization, है ना? And was that not enough? स्पोक्सपर्सन्स अभी बाकी हैं मेरे दोस्त.
आज जीवीएल नरसिम्हा राव ने CNN IBN के एक डिबेट में मुझे धमकी दी कि तुम गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय हो और यदि तुम गवर्नमेंट के अगेंस्ट बोलोगे तो तुमको फायर कर दिया जाएगा.
So wait, Barkha discusses what happened on Times Now on NDTV. Times Now discusses what happened on the CNN IBN debate. Guys, stop taking away our jobs. That's what we do. क्यों पेट में लात मारते हो? Now, the great Bollywood Shadi actor Shahid Kapoor tied the knot with Meera Rajput of Delhi, and newswallas went gaga reporting the event. After all, it was news of great national importance which had to be covered minute by minute, right from how the wedding card looked.
शाहिद कपूर की शादी का शाही वेडिंग कार्ड सबके सामने आ गया है. ये है एक्टर शाहिद कपूर के वेडिंग कार्ड की पहली तस्वीर.
To the preparations.
शाहिद कपूर देखिए मुंबई में कैसे कर रहे हैं अपनी शादी की तैयारी.
And outfits.
अब देखिए हमारे कैमरे ने क्या कैद किया है. ये है शाहिद की शादी का जूता.
And the Times of India reported what exotic pans were going to be served at the wedding, with a special mention that the same panwala also served at ex-girlfriend Kareena Kapoor's wedding. Oh wow! Now that's called digging up a story. If only they did such digging on real issues that actually matter. You have to credit News 24. They dug hard. Tali lagao. They got the biggest scoop of scoops. They got the मेहंदी वाली.
मेहंदी डिजाइनर रेहाना ने E24 से की खास बात.
उन्होंने बोला एक हाथ में के एक में एस लिखना है. मैंने लिखा दोनों हाथों में एक एक अक्षर.
India Today showed a video of the Sangeet, which was actually uploaded by a guest, Shahid. you might want to reconsider your guest list.
Well, a small video of the bride and groom dancing. That's the video that I'm talking about. That was uploaded by a guest who attended that Sangeet ceremony.
IBN Lokmat did even better. Chalo tali lagao. They played the entire MMS clip captured on a guest's mobile.
संगीत तर फक्त एक निमित्त होतं. खरं तर शाहिदला मीराला स्टेजवर बोलवायचं होतं आणि तिला हा डान्स करायला लावायचा होता.
First Post reported Shahid Kapoor is getting married and the media is going crazy while reporting on it constantly themselves. Just another day in India. But viewers, whenever you feel too cynical about our news and our law and order situation, don't worry. Even Saat Samundar Par, there are chances that you may be mugged on live TV. Here's what happened in Barracks, America.
KTVU Fox 2's Kara Liu live along the Embarcadero where a woman was...
Hold on, wait.
Carrie, you still there?
Sorry, there's an incident out here.
What's going on out there, Carrie? You doing okay? Okay, it looks like there's some type of incident going on.
KTVU reporter Kara Liu was reporting live when someone ran up and stole the camera equipment while she was doing a piece to camera and mugged Alan Waples at gunpoint. Looks like the Samajwadi Party has got some scope in America too. This is what their strong party men do to businessmen in UP. But everything isn't dark and black and blue on TV. There's also pink and red, or there would have been had the camera not cut to Shazia a little too early.
मगर आम आदमी पार्टी की तरफ से इसमें कोई शरीक नहीं हो रहा है.
Thanks to alert viewer Amar K for catching that. Ek tali to baja do. Good. Before we go, a little message for you school kids who have been convinced that watching television news is good for your general knowledge. You might have seen this.
Dangerous, deadly gang war in the capital, Gaurav. I happened to be going to Gurgaon this morning and I was stuck in a traffic jam.
Okay, children, don't listen to Rahul uncle. Gurgaon is not the capital of India. In fact, it's not even the capital of Haryana. It's the capital of hell when it rains. And also I'd like to show you the new age woman who doesn't take no shit from no one. Okay. I know what many of you would be saying now.
कानून को अपने हाथ में मत लो.
क्या यार, ये घिसी पिटी लाइन किसी फिल्म में ही अच्छी लगती है. अब जब कानून ही अपने हाथ में कुछ नहीं लेता, तो किसी को तो लेना पड़ेगा ना. And these women
इन्ना पढ़ के कि उससे काबू नहीं रख सकी.
had enough. We also had our caption contest and this week's winner is Raghav Shetty from Facebook. ताली लगाओ. Congratulations, Raghav, and keep the submissions coming. Remember to participate in our next caption contest to get your name on the next episode of Clothesline. Well, that's a wrap for the week. If you saw any moments from journalism that made you go, oh wow or oh crap, write in to us or tweet to us. Subscribe to our newsletter and support our I Pay to Keep News Free campaign. We are the change. You are the change, for better or worse. Never do nothing. Stay connected. Stay online. If you enjoyed that, click up here to support us and down here to subscribe. Be sure to check out our older episodes and the other stuff we do, like Can You Take It, I Agree, panel discussions, comics and animations, and much, much more.